Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning to all.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Okay, in last lecture, we have discussed on well, those are based on speed or velocity and force on a piston in case of a hydraulic pump. Now, in today's lecture, we will take one surprise test based on MCQ. Right? I will use some MCQ questions. You have to solve within 15 minutes, 10 questions. Right? Then we will process the answers regarding the MCQ test. Is it fine? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Shraddha, are you there? Shraddha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give some MCQ type questions to you. It will be presented on slide. Read it, write it, and write its answer. Right? MCQ टेस्ट घेऊया आपण. क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला स्लाइड वरती दाखवतो मी. लिहून घ्या आणि त्याचं आन्सर पण लिहा. राईट? आणि नंतर आपण कुठला आन्सर आहे ते तुम्हाला मी सांगतो. तुमची तुम्ही सेल्फ असेस करा. राईट? हॅलो प्रणव, नाव इज इट ऑडिबल टू यू और नॉट? प्रणव, may I audible to all? Hello,
Yes,
may
sir.
I
You're
audible?
audible.
Okay, let's we start with test. We will take the test, MCQ test on IHP. This will be the surprise test. Okay, this is the first 5 questions. Try to read, write, and give its a correct option. I will give 5 minutes to you. Which of the following is used to an component in hydraulic power unit? First, pressure gauge, filler gauge, valve, reservoir. Write the correct answer. It must be a component of the hydraulic power system. Rotary motion. Second, rotary motion in hydraulic power unit is achieved by using first option hydraulic cylinder, pneumatic cylinder, both hydraulic and pneumatic cylinder, none of the above. You have to choose the correct answer. रोटरी मोशन हायड्रोलिक पॉवर युनिट मध्ये कशाच्या सहाय्याने मिळते त्याचा आन्सर लिहायचं तुम्हाला. Which of the following is used an accessory in hydraulic power unit? Pump, valve, motor, reservoir. हायड्रोलिक पॉवर युनिट मध्ये ऍक्सेसरी म्हणून कोण वापरलं जातं? ऍक्सेसरी म्हणजे काय? सपोर्टिंग एलिमेंट, मेन पार्ट नसतो तो. असला नसला तरी चालू शकतो. Which type of pump is used for lifting water from the ground surface to the top of the building? Centrifugal, turbine, submersible, all of the above. Means for lifting the water, which type of the pump you are using? Pumps used in hydraulic applications are positive displacement, variable displacement, fixed displacement, and all of the above. हायड्रॉलिक ऍप्लिकेशन्स मध्ये जे काही पंप यूज करतो ते कुठल्या टाईपचे असतात? टेक युअर ओन टाइम. Have you written the answer for these 5 questions? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When answers are over, please reply me. Is it over? All of you are writing the question with options or not? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Ah, yeah. Deep Jyoti, are you writing the question?
Sir, I have written only answers.
Only answers, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then I think all of you are having completed the answer of the 5 questions, right? Can you go for next 5?
Yes, sir.
हॅलो, लेक्चर मध्ये आहे क्या? Is it visible? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Then write the answers for these 5 questions. Which type of the motion is transmitted by hydraulic actuator? Hydraulic actuatorच्या सहाय्याने कुठली मोशन ट्रान्सफर केली जाते? Linear, rotary, both, none of above. Which of the following is a hydraulic cylinder based on construction? Which of the following is a hydraulic cylinder based on construction? I think there will be a figure, it should be missing. Based on construction. Option might be changed. What is the advantage of using a single acting cylinder? Single acting cylinder use करायचं काय advantage असेल? High cost and reliable. Honing inside the inner surface of the pump is not required. Piston seal are not required, and all above the above. All the above. त्यासाठी सिंगल ऍक्टिंग सिलेंडर यूज करायचं आहे. एक ऍडव्हान्टेज काय आहे त्याचा आन्सर तुम्हाला लिहिणं गरजेचं आहे. Wire hydraulic cylinder are cushion, means cushioning why it is provided? Because first one option, cushioning decelerates the piston of a cylinder. Second, trace and vibration can be reduced. Third, both cushioning and trace reduction. And D, none of above. 10th question, which of these action does hydraulic cylinder will perform? Pushing, lifting, both, and none of above. Write the correct option for this next 5 questions. Is it over? Have you written the answers? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will self-assess. You will self-assess your correct options, right? We start with the first MCQ. Which of the following is used as component in hydraulic power unit? Which one? Component? Yes, anybody can reply.
Valve.
Right.
Reservoir.
So C is the correct option. Wall is the essential component of a hydraulic power unit. Okay. So C is the correct option for question number 1. Check your own answers. Second, rotary motion in hydraulic power unit is achieved by using. Anybody can answer.
None of the above.
Why? Why?
Sir, they are hydraulic cylinders. We need motor.
Right. That's a good answer because all the options are given related to the cylinder, and cylinders are providing the linear motion, not rotary motion. For that purpose, for the question number 2, none of above. That is the option D is correct. Okay, check your answers. For second number, none of above is the correct option. Now third, which of the following is an accessory in hydraulic power unit? हायड्रॉलिक पॉवर युनिट मध्ये खाली दिलेल्या ऑप्शन पैकी कुठला एलिमेंट जो आहे तो ऍज अन ॲक्सेसरी म्हणून यूज केला जातो. येस.
Reservoir.
Reservoir. Why? Because it is one kind of a storage device, right? It does not perform any kind of the functions or operations, right? So motor, pump and valve, these are the essential elements of the hydraulic power unit, right? So for the third MCQ, the correct option is D, a reservoir. Then fourth MCQ, which type of pump is used for lifting water from ground surface to the top of the building? This is the correct option. Centrifugal pump.
All of the above.
All of the above, right? All the pumps are used to lift the water, right? For the 4, D option is the correct. All of the above. 5 number. Pumps used in hydraulic applications are positive displacement, variable displacement, and fixed displacement, and last is the all the above. Which is the correct option for the 5th question?
All the above.
Okay, all the above, because these are the certain types of the pumps: positive displacement, variable displacement, fixed displacement, right? So all of the above is the correct answer for the question number 5. That is the D option. 6 number. Which type of a motion is transmitted by hydraulic actuator? Option is a linear motion, rotary motion, both A and B, and none of the above.
Both A and B.
Right. Both A and B is the correct option because actuators are of the 2 types, linear and rotary actuators. right? So linear actuators are the hydraulic cylinders and rotary actuators are the air motor. Cylinders are used to convert fluid pressure energy into linear motion, and rotary actuators are used to convert fluid pressure energy into rotary motion. So for the 6 number MCQ, the correct option is both A and B. A is a linear motion, B is a rotary motion. 7th number MCQ. Which of the following hydraulic cylinder based on construction? Single acting, double acting, welded design, and all of the above.
Welded design cylinder.
Welded design cylinder. It is based on construction. Single acting, double acting. How you will choose the welded design cylinder? I think for this A, all of the above is the correct answer. Or not? What is your opinion for welded design cylinder? Hello? Hello? Which of the following is a hydraulic cylinder based on construction? Basic construction for the cylinder, that is a single acting cylinder. And from that another variety it will be emerged. So for this question, correct answer is a single acting cylinder. A option. 8th number. What is the advantage of using single acting cylinder? What is the advantage of using a single acting cylinder? Which is the correct option? Hello? Am I audible?
Piston seals are not required.
Oh, right. It's correct answer. Because piston seal is not required in case of a single acting cylinder, because we are supplying the hydraulic fluid in one direction, one side of the cylinder. So suction and discharge, it will be carried out at one side of the cylinder. So it doesn't require the seal or the piston. For the 8th number, C option is the correct. Why all hydraulic cylinders are to be cushioned? Cushioning is essential for all hydraulic cylinder. Why it is essential? First option, cushioning deaccelerate piston of the cylinder. Stress and vibration can be reduced. C both A and B. D none of above. Which one is clear? Correct answer for the 9th.
Both A and B.
Very good. So cushioning is very essential to reduce the speed of the piston, and at the same time, due to sudden reducing the speed, deaccelerating the piston, there will be probability of creating stress and vibrations. They can be reduced by providing the cushioning. Last 10th number, which of these actions does the hydraulic cylinder will perform? Pushing, lifting, both A and B, and none of above.
Both A and
What
B.
is
C.
the right? So hydraulic cylinder, it will be used for pushing. And lifting also, right? So correct option is a C, both A and B, because due to extension and retraction stroke of the piston, various activities are to be carried out by using the cylinder and piston arrangement. So in this way, we'll carry out the first test. It is based on basics, right? How many of you solve the correct answers? Hello? Self assessment. कोमल किती करेक्ट आले? 10 पैकी?
Sir,
Hello?
5.
5. Okay. Shraddha?
9, sir.
Good. Deepjyoti?
7.
Hello? 7.
सर 7th आन्सर पण
Bharat?
वेल्डेड डिझाईनच येतं.
What is the justification?
So single and double acting are based on the motion of the flow, means from one side or two side. It is not based on construction.
Based on flow, right?
Motion, yeah.
It is the basic construction, right? And what about the welded? Because that flow can be changed by providing certain design to the cylinder, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So we will correct that. Which number question? 7 number. Right? 7 number option is the
Yes, sir.
C. We will correct. Okay, we will correct it. Okay. Shubham, Bharat is there. Bharat, how much questions you have? How many questions? Correct answers you have? Bharat
Hello,
is there?
Hello.
Hmm.
हाँ सर आपका लेट ज्वाइन था.
Okay. Saurabh?
Yes, sir. 7 question only.
7. Which was wrong?
Sir, this welded
Anki?
both option is no, none of this option is not written. ये दो चुकले.
Okay. For which question? Now?
So, no, for second or
Okay. Suresh?
Yes, sir. 7 answers correct.
3 कुठले चुकतात रे? सगळ्यांचे 7 बरोबर आलेत. एक वेल्डेड
ते-
जॉईंट ठीक आहे, तो कट कर.
तो एक आणि मग ते दुसरा एक नन वाला एक चुकला सर. सेकंड नंबर आणि 8 नंबर एक.
7 नंबर. क्वेश्चन रीड करा, मला काही दिसत नाही प्रेझेंट केलेली. 7 नंबर. 7 नंबर वेल्डेड जॉईंट ठीक आहे. नंतर कुशनिंगचा का कुठला?
Yes, sir. That questioning question. 9th.
9th. Okay, its option is the A and B, right? You choose the none of above.
Yes, sir.
Sachin, what is your score?
6.
Okay. Sunil, how many answers
Sir, 8.
you? 8. Very good. Karuna, Karuna Sarvade,
7, sir.
Puri Akash, have you joined? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem at all. Uh, who will take the attendance? A division student, write your roll number. A division student. Is it over? A division students. Now B division student, write your roll number. Anybody is remaining from A and B? Sushant. Sushant, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sushant, how many questions you have solved? Hello. किती correct आले answers, Sushant?
Sir,
Hello.
for
Hmm.
7 to 8, I think.
I think. पहिल्या क्वेश्चन पासून होता का टेस्टला मधून जॉईन झाले ओके ठीक नाउ नेक्स्ट one more test for the 10 marks we will conduct
Sir, मधून join झालं sir ते.
first MCQ okay ठीक आहे now start this test all of you first MCQ which of the following system generate more energy when used in industrial application option is a hydraulic system pneumatic system both and cannot say write the correct option A B C D second which type of compressor require a reservoir for compressor air and why A option rotary compressor to avoid pulsating effect B reciprocating compressor to avoid the pulsating effect C both rotary and reciprocating D none of above Write the correct option. Third one, which of the following factor is considered while selecting a compressor? A option, type of the oil filter required, volumetric efficiency, viscosity of liquid is to be used, D, all of the above. कॉम्प्रेसर सिलेक्ट करताना कुठला पॅरामीटर कन्सिडर करावा लागेल? Fourth, overlapping of signal in pneumatic systems can be avoided by using rolling lever valve, idle roller lever valve, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. Signal overlapping कशामुळे अवॉइड केलं जातं? It is not in our syllabus as per the content. Next, the dash converts compressed air into mechanical energy in the form of force and linear movement in one direction only. कॉम्प्रेस्ड एनर्जीचं मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी मध्ये, मेकॅनिकल फोर्स मध्ये, लिनियर मुवमेंट मध्ये, एका डायरेक्शन मध्ये कोण कन्वर्जन करतं? डबल ऍक्टिंग सिलेंडर, पिस्टन सिलेंडर, सिंगल ऍक्टिंग सिलेंडर, and short stroke cylinders. These are the four options. Write the correct four options. Is it over? 5 questions. Have you written the answer? Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Have you written the answers? Okay. Anybody from girl side? Is it over? Can we wait for a while? Next 5 questions. Which of the following is a component used in air generation system? Pressure switch, pressure gauge, dryer, intercooler. Main element of the air generation system चा कोण असेल? प्रेशर स्विच असेल, प्रेशर गेज असेल, ड्रायर असेल का इंटरकूलर असेल? 7. Where is an intercooler connected in two-stage compressor? A option, intercooler is connected after the two-stage compressor. B, intercooler is connected between the two-stage compressor. C. Intercooler is connected before the two-stage compressor. D is a none of above. इंटरकूलर कुठं बसवतो आपण टू स्टेज कॉम्प्रेसर असेल तर दोन्हीच्या मध्ये बसवतो आपण राईट 8 which wall is known as memory wall okay single pilot signal wall double pilot signal wall or roller lever wall logic wall 9 number in which system spool of the servo valve is operated by a torque motor. Spool of the servo valve is operated by a torque motor. Hydro-mechanical servo system, electro-hydraulic servo system, conventional servo valve, and all the above. 10 number. How does servo mean in servo valve system? सर्वो वॉल सिस्टीम मध्ये सर्वोचा अर्थ काय येतो सर्वो सिस्टीम इट इज नॉट इन आवर सिलेबस ओके इट कॅनॉट रिसीव अ फीडबॅक but the desired output can be obtained. B. It cannot receive feedback and the desired output cannot be obtained. C option. It can receive the feedback and desired output can be obtained. D. None of the above. So write the correct options for these 5 questions 6 to 10. Is it over? We'll check the correct answer. झालं का लिहून सगळ्यांचे ऑप्शन Have you solved all 10 questions? Hello? Is it over? All questions are over? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Over.
Okay, start with the first question. Which of the following system generates more energy when used in hydraulic application? Which is the correct option?
Hydraulic system.
System.
Which? Hydraulic system.
Hydraulic system.
Right. Because pneumatic systems are operated for a certain range of the pressure up to 10 bar. Right. So hydraulic systems are used to generate more energy in case of the industry. So option A is the correct for 1. For question number 2, which type of compressor requires a reservoir for compressed air and why?
Reciprocating.
Which is the correct option?
Reciprocating compressor.
Reciprocating compressor. Okay, right. To avoid the pulsating effect. It doesn't require the compressor receiver reservoir in case of a rotary compressor. In case of the reciprocating compressor, supply from the output or discharge of the compressor, it is the pulsating. So in order to avoid that pulsating effect, when we have to supply the air to the different elements of the pneumatic system, we must have to provide a reservoir after the reciprocating compressor in order to avoid the effect of the pulsation. So for question number 2, the correct option is a B. Question number 3. Which of the following factors is considered while selecting a compressor?
Volumetric efficiency.
Right, very good. Because this is the one of the parameters it will be used. First one is pressure, second one is the volume flow rate, that is the volumetric efficiency related. Third one, that is the cost, right? We have seen in a selection of a compressor. The correct option for the question number 3, that is the for the selection of the compressor, the volumetric efficiency is must have to consider. So for question number 3, option B is correct, volumetric efficiency. Question number 4, overlapping of signals in pneumatic systems can be avoided by using. We have not covered this. So its option is both A and B. Option C, rolling lever wall and idle roller lever wall. So it will be the part of a servo system, I think, and it will be not included in our syllabus now. So for the 4th question, the option C, both A and B, it is the correct. Is it right? Hello? Now 5th question. The dash converts the compressed air energy into mechanical energy in the form of force and linear movement in only one direction only.
Single acting
What is
cylinder.
the correct answer? Single acting cylinder. That is the correct answer. Because cylinders are the actuators where we are converting pressure energy of compressed air into mechanical energy. And that mechanical energy, it is one form of a motion. It will be linear motion. And if linear motion is to be produced in one direction, for that purpose, we are using single acting cylinder. For the 5th question, option C is correct. Question number 6. Which of the following is a component used in air generating system?
Dryer.
Air generating, right. Dryer is the correct option because pressure switch, pressure gauge, intercooler, these are the accessories. Those are not essential element of the air generation system. So dryer is the correct option for question number 6. Question number 7. There is an intercooler connected in a two-stage compressor. दोन
Between
compressor
two
असतील
stage.
तर intercooler. Okay. Option
B.
B. Right. B is the correct option. दोन कॉम्प्रेसरच्या मध्ये आपण इंटरकूलर बसवतो म्हणजे पहिल्या कॉम्प्रेसरचं जे आउटपुट आहे where its pressure as well as its temperature it will be increases. Temperature increase झाल्याने air density वाढते. जास्त डेन्सिटी एअरची डेन्सिटी वाढल्यामुळे सेकंड स्टेजच्या कॉम्प्रेसर मध्ये पूर्ण एअर जाऊ शकत नाही. फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी हॅव टू reduce the temperature of air after coming out from the first compressor. So intercooler is provided in between two compressor, means between the two stage of the compressor. 8th number, which wall is known as memory wall?
Double pilot
So
signal.
it's double pilot signal wall, right? It is called as a memory wall because input and output both he will take the signal, pilot signal, and then it will be operated. So correct option is a B, double pilot signal wall. 9th number, in which system spool of the servo wall is operated by torque motor? What is the correct option? Its correct option is the electro-hydraulic servo system because servo signal it is gained by using the electric energy base, right? Servo signal, and hydraulic it is related with the motor, right? So spool of the servo wall it is operated by the torque motor by using the electro-hydraulic servo system. For the 9th question, B option is the correct. And last one, that is a what does servo mean in servo wall system? What is the correct option? Yes. What does servo mean in servo wall system? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
What does servo mean in servo wall system? Yes. Yes.
Sir, option C.
It can receive. See, right. It can receive the feedback, and the desired output can be obtained. Means by taking the feedback, it will control the motion or position of an actuating element. So by getting the feedback, it will control the output. So servo in servo wall system is used for it can receive a feedback and desired output can be obtained. Means whatever the output, it will be based on a feedback system. So for the 10th question, C option is the correct one. I think this will be the sufficient for today's lecture. So for the second test, I think 7 to 8 questions might be correct for all the students, right? Kori, Akash, किती आहेत? किती क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आले आकाश?
7 बरोबर
Sorry?
आले सर. 7
Okay.
7.
ओके गुड. श्रेयश
Sir.
सेवन.
सर 7.
कुठले 3 चुकतायत?
सर 9th वन एक चुकला
हा,
आणि सेकंड अँड थर्ड.
सेकंड आणि थर्ड चुकायची काय गरज नव्हती. व्हॉल्युमेट्रिक इफिशियन्सी एवढा एकच पॅरामीटर व्यवस्थित होता कॉम्प्रेसर
हा, सर.
सिलेक्शन साठी.
हा करतो करेक्ट सर.
हो. सौरभ are you there? सौरभ गायकवाड left the meeting. Praveen, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How many questions are correct?
8, sir.
Oh. Milind, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How many questions correct?
5, sir. 5.
Oh. Take the wrong answers, which will be the correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct करा जे wrong आहे ते. समजून घ्या ते. गणेश तोडकर.
Yes, sir. 5 questions are correct.
ओके, व्यवस्थित बघून घ्या कशामुळे चुकलंय, कुठलं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे, राईट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll stop for here. Thank you very much. We'll see you on Wednesday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.